Alright guys, do a little welding here and there. Still got a little bit more to do down in there. But I got this black steel here. And then on top of this, the steel that I bought, it kind of bent on an angle. I don't know if you guys can tell this or not. It's not exactly straight. But it's on there. Sounds pretty good. I got a couple black circles telling me where the holes are. So, I guess I'll fire it up real quick. Thought I heard something. But now I just gotta get the muffler for it, so too much choke. Alright guys, here we go. A little startup video here. So there we go. Shut off that one. It's a little tight on the hood. It's actually a lot more tighter than I thought it'd be. But it's not exactly on there tight, as you can tell. But in order for me to really get it tight, I'm actually gonna have to go down and buy me a elbow here and a piece of pipe here and bring it out a little bit, because it's a little bit too tight. So but still got quite a bit to do, so I know that works, so that and I can do my slash cut tomorrow. But I guess I'm gonna call it a night, guys. Welder really works really good. So it's my welding setup here. So I'm really happy with it. So on that note, I'm gonna call it a night. And go get me some dinner, because I haven't ate anything yet, guys, and I know it's gotta be late out. There's no more sun, so I'm not sure if I got my cell phone on me or not. Nope, not in that pocket. Nope, I don't have it on me. So. Oh yeah, that's right, it died. Never mind, I don't have it on me. I know it's late, but alrighty guys, like I said, it works really good. If anybody's looking for, you know, halfway decent welder, it's on a budget. I paid $105.50 for this off of eBay. So yeah. Like I said, the only thing I'm disappointed about FedEx is it broke my handle here, and there's a little black tip that holds the metal tip there on there. That's the only thing that really broke. It works, so it don't matter to me. So, but alrighty guys.